Hello, I am back with, this is take number 2, which really sucks because my camera couldn't hold it anymore. I've got a, you can see it's already falling apart, BMW 6. I've already taken it apart, so that way I didn't have to go through the hassle. So you're gonna, when you take it apart, you're gonna unscrew there, and then in the back, there, and there. So you're gonna unscrew. And you lift off the top, and then you've got this. Because I took it apart because I was looking at other YouTube videos trying to figure out if I could blow this thing up some way easily, because I've got this nice Dodge Charger and I love remote control cars just that way. So you're gonna need firecrackers. You're gonna need one spark killer and a lighter. Now, I know I usually have my lighter with me, but I cannot find it. So, yeah, let's get started on this. I haven't done a dry test before. Well, I kind of did because of my last video, but let's get started anyway. Okay, so this one is from my older video, the unknown one. It's got, like, if you can hear it, it's got like a ton of little tiny firecrackers in it, and can't really figure out how to open it without them all falling out. And then I've got 3 of these. These are waterproof firecrackers. You can pick these up at, if the fireworks are legal in your state, you can usually pick them up for, I picked these up for $3 even, at Pyro City, for like, I think it's like 100 or 150, something like that. And then put those there. And then you're gonna have these little ones. These little ones have little tiny fuses on them because they were all linked together at one point. That's just some of them. I've already used some of them. Yeah. Sorry about that, I was just looking at something. So you're gonna put that. You're gonna put all of them in this little tiny chamber. Like so. Try to get the fuses as close as possible. Like that. You're gonna take your sparkler, this right here, and you're just gonna let me flip the camera. Okay, so I can't. You're just gonna take this stick and pull it off as soon as I can get this off. And then you got that. You get all that crap off. And then you're gonna break off that so we have all that black powder. And then you're just gonna pour it in there. And with mine, I'm gonna like stick it out of the side, like so. And then, just to see if this will work, I'm going to stick little tiny ones right there. Right there. And then I'm just gonna show you guys what you should do with this. Haha. M1000s. Highly illegal, but if you can find them, go right ahead and use them. Very heavy fireworks. So I'm gonna take the M1000 and you will place it right here with a little center dot, and you're gonna place it with some electrical tape, because you don't want to use duct tape. Scotch tape would be fine. Might not hold it though. Alright, and then you're gonna you should be able to eventually get everything back in its place, screw it all down, and then you got your fuse here. And then you just, hold on, I think I know my lighter. Yep, I found it. So then you're gonna take your lighter, and well, you have it, you're gonna light it, and then just light it down there, and it'll go and lead into here. And the M1000, you should drop the fuse down into all these other fuses. And if you can't get this thing closed, just take out those. And if you still want them in there, go in that little hole. And then you should be able to light it and drive it, because it doesn't add much weight. I mean, even if you didn't want the top on, you can just pop off the top. Just cut that, or not cut the cord, but like take a knife and just peel off that stuff and take off the top. So yeah, there you go. And I will be posting another video on what it looks like when you drive it, if y'all want to know. So yeah, this is a 9-minute 23 video, so they try to keep it under 10 minutes, so I will. So yeah, I plan on making more videos. Comment, subscribe, usual, like it, do whatever. Alright, peace.